fear is the key to the closed mind, losing the hope.
Yo!
Beautiful and a lot of fun. We went out a couple times, started dating, you know.
Things got more serious. Meeting parents, labels. I told him I loved him. He said it back. It was good. Really good.
I loved her. I introduced her to my family. I'd never done that before. I'd never said, I love you either.
Much. I told him that it was too much, that he was smothering me, but he didn't understand. He got really upset. He was really hurt, which I got. But I needed space. And I told him before and nothing had changed, so I had to do something.
Then she ended it. I wanted to try and fix it and understand what I'd done. Everything had been so good, then suddenly she flipped. Suddenly she was cold. She wasn't the person that I loved anymore. She became cold and distant, and she didn't give me anything. All she said was, I was too much.